Hi students, today we are starting with reproduction in pteridophytes. In these plants, reproduction is of three types: vegetative, asexual and sexual. Vegetative, it is by fragmentation and adventitious roots. In fragmentation, formation of segment is there and which forms its adventitious roots and leaves. At the time of formation of adventitious buds, they form the bases of the leaves. They are detached and dispersed and new sporophyte is formed. Asexual reproduction. The megaspore and microspore gametophyte germinate and they form female and male gametophyte respectively. The female gametophyte, male gametophyte and parent sporophyte is formed. The development of zygote into embryo and inside the female gametophyte and which converts into the seed. Sexual reproduction. It takes place with the fusion of sperm with the egg. Sperms are formed on the ventral surface of the prothallus. Ventral surface means front surface, and each antheridium is bounded by a wall containing cells. Inside the antheridium, there are small number of spore mother cells are present. Archegonia are female sex organ and develop in the form of the cluster. Each archegonium is flask shaped and consists of venter and neck. Venter is embedded in the tissue of the prothallus and it contains egg cell and ventral canal cell. The neck contains neck canal cell. At the time of maturity, these cells are disintegrated. Fertilization takes place in the presence of water. Antheridium ruptures and enters inside the archegonia and fuses with the egg nucleus. And fertilization completes. Fertilized egg is known as oospore and diploid oospore is the beginning of sporophyte and then gametophyte. Now here we will see how reproduction takes place. Here we have taken the example of the fern. This is the mature plant. You can see megasporophyll. This is adult sporophyte. Rhizome. Here sori means spores. You can see sporangium, sporogenous tissue. Meiosis, already we have discussed this in bryophyte also. Now here spores are formed. This is young gametophyte. This is prothallus, mature gametophyte. You can see inside that formation of male and female gametophyte. Male gametophyte is known as antheridium and female gametophyte is known as archegonium. Fusion or fertilization, formation of zygote. Zygote converts into embryo. This is young embryo. It will grow. It is first leaf. This is first root. This is foot. Now here gametophyte are present and from this sporophyte is formed and from this complete plant will develop like this. As you can see, one more time we will see, this is the plant. Meiosis, spore, prothallus, antheridium archegonium, egg and sperm, fertilization, zygote, embryo. This is young embryo, growing embryo, formation of sporophyte. This is formation of young sporophyte. This is formation of gametophyte and this is complete plant is font. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.